Hey you guys, how y'all doing today? So today, first let me do the regular intro. My name is Latoya, mother of Dat Family 5. We are a family that loves life and having fun and loves giving you the motivation to need to get what you need to get done in life. So today we'll be taking care of this window. I have a lot of cleaning motivation to do. Why are you leaving me? Oh, okay. And so before we get to the mirror, I do want to clean up just a little bit in the dining room area because it needs it. So yes, I'm looking for ways to store some things and whatnot, so I don't think I can put any more furniture in my house. I need to declutter all the way, basic cleaning today. So of course I'm taking y'all along. Hubby will be popping in while we do the windows. And today you will see a new member of the family. His name is Remy, and he is a collie rough mix. So we will introduce y'all to him soon. He's a mess, y'all. He is so fun. Topaz loves him. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. It's nice to see y'all. If y'all haven't yet, please consider to subscribe to this channel. Press the thumbs up, like button below. And comment to me, where is your favorite places to shop? Not online, but actually to go and shop. My favorite places are right now, because we're doing a lot of home stuff. Home Depot, Lowe's, Aldi's, Lidl, and Costco, of course. So, yes. And commissary and PX. So yeah, that was Mimi you just saw. You might as well get this bowl too. But yeah, let me get to clean this dining room area up over here. So you want to say good morning? Teenagers. She don't think she's a teenager, but she's a teenager. But okay, let's get to cooking. Okay, cooking. Let's get to cleaning.
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been. We can breathe underwater, nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. We're the ocean's high.
He gonna get mad at me. So my husband has a thing about bugs. Like, I can deal with bugs and be okay, right? But him and bugs, he has to have like the old fly traps around, and he has to have like, he has to make sure there's no bugs coming in. This is what he doing. Like, he was fussing. Did y'all hear him fussing? Like, did y'all hear him fussing about just some little bit of bugs? And they little. Ain't like no big old, well actually we did have one big flying bug come in. But it's summertime. Things like that gonna happen, especially if you have a wooded area. So
And then I see you on the street, said your heart just skipped a beat.
Remy, sit. Remy, sit. Remy, thank you, good boy. So that is Remy. We got him from the Peninsula Humane Society, and he is now Topaz's brother, and they wear each other out. Hey you guys, so we get into cleaning these sliding doors, not windows, but sliding doors. So all around the house we're gonna be putting up these windows treatments, and so yeah, we just wanted to
put some more shade in a stylish way in our house. So we found these, my husband found these window treatments at a place called Lido, which is kind of like Aldi's brother. And they were like $5 a piece, a roll. And so he was like, we can do this, because we were trying to figure out a way to add a little style to our windows without paying too much money. And so that's what we did. Right here, y'all know we have cats, and they normally stay in the sunroom, and that it was really dusty right there, like cat hair and everything else is right there. So I'm going to clean that right there and show y'all how bad it was. It was actually worse, but hey, I got to it, then I forgot. Oh, let me show y'all. Yeah, I know y'all like to see it. So there you go.
Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious. I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you?
Stop for a minute. I think at one point this was outside, because this is straight up dirt. This is not, that's like dirt from outside. Like, I know that, but that should have been cleaned up. Crazy.
All right, let me tell you about the process. So I'm cleaning around and cleaning the windows first with the all-purpose method French lavender, and then I'm going in with the Dollar Tree window cleaner to clean it, to make it look shiny. Right here I'm vacuuming the little stair step that we have into the sunroom. Here Doug was videotaping, that's why I was all around. And then we got this Gilia window film application thing from Home Depot. I will try to remember to put that down in the description box below. But pretty much it made it so easy. So it's not an adhesive, it's just like a wet water type thing. But what it came with was a little razor, like very little razor, like 1mm razor, and this yellow thing that we use to push down all the air out of the window vinyl stuff, right? So as you see, before this one, on this one I'm spraying it, well, somebody sprayed it with the adhesive solution, and then you pull off the film on the back and use I forget which part, but there's a part that sticks to the window, and then you use the air like Mimi's doing. She's using the yellow piece to get the air out of the vinyl part, just to make sure it sticks well to it and won't come off. And so we did this process 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did this about 12 times, and then Doug did another 2 times on a couple of our other windows. But I've only shown y'all, I'm only gonna show y'all sunrooms, the sunroom windows, sliding doors, Ziki's room, and our room, because there's a lot actually in this video. So yeah, so right here you see it's getting you know, it's starting to look nice. If you are following me on Instagram, which is DAT family, FAMILY, the number 5 on Instagram, Facebook, and now a Twitter, which I just put stuff up. I really don't comment or anything on Twitter, but I put stuff up. You'll see that you'll see that I've already put the pictures up of how everything looks. But we like it because the sunroom is very sunny and it's cool. We just wanted something different, you know. It's our house, you know. We bought it. That's what we do. We can be fun with it, and that's why I love it. So if y'all have any ideas for like if y'all have any ideas for like bedroom colors, I was looking at All Things Brandy, and I like the color that she had in her bedroom, and it'll match. That color will actually match my poster that we have in there. So I think, yeah, I don't know, but if you have any ideas for colors on the wall that goes with dark wood furniture, that'll be great. Give me that in the comment box below. Thank you.
On to the next room. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, I don't know.
So we're in Ezekiel's room, and her room for some reason is like the darkest room. And I think it's because of the tree that is in front of the house. And so with the window treatments, you're going to be able to see the pattern, which is butterflies in like a meadow or garden or something. It's very cute and pretty. And then, but it's going to be slightly dark. Even with my lamp and even with the lamps in the room, it is just dark in her room. We are working on another DIY about getting some light fixtures in the bedrooms because we don't have any on top. So that's something y'all be seeing in the near future.
Standing in the shadows of where we have been, sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one.
You so cute.
Look at Topaz coming. Little big eyes.
He got a big neck compared to Toby. Come on. You gonna go?
Think now I'm good.
You gonna get up there?
Baby. She just want attention. That's what you want to do.
Be closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one.
So we are coming to a close of this video. I want to thank y'all so much for clicking on this video and spending some time with us today on your Friday and on your quotation mark holiday weekend quotation mark. So I just want to just let y'all know that we are happy that y'all are part of the family, and we are thank you so much for just subscribing and supporting us and all that we are doing here on YouTube. We will see you on the tube next time, and this is a couple of pictures of what we have done. Thank y'all so much once again.
Huddle a little bit closer, babe.